not need one. One run.
521.
You sent me a card for a parking problem.
And 4 in your 23.
Yes, that's 4. I'll get a 28 from one truck when you're ready.
Go ahead.
From one truck, Boy Lincoln X-ray 985 should come back up past the building.
So you had 2000. Patrick Spalding.
10-4. If you can just put a little note on the log that I'm going to be leaving a note on his vehicle advising him to remove it.
Rockingham 505. 505, entered a vandalism case for Athens, explain it, soon to be ex, slashed her tires and has made threatening comments to her. She's concerned he might return.
10-4, give that to 32.
10-4. You're assigned to a vandalism case in Athens. Did you copy the 505?
Yeah, 4. Depot Street, truck boy entry 5.
That was 435?
10-4.
10-4.
You go there, 43 again.
143.
You go with that 43 you had. I didn't hear any, but I had just most likely down.
10-4, I just wanted to know if you should be put back 76 to Cabana Circle or to the subject's address.
Yeah, I'll be 23 back on that town property case, and I'll be 76 to the Williams Road address to see if I can find the owner.
10-4. 449, 1120.
And 449, 1121, thank you.
10-4.
Code 4. 4.
Rockingham 535.
Have a great college.
535.
Should be. Had no door. A woman who walked into my house. I'll slide up that way.
Caller has now been able to close the front door. She's now pounding on the door, trying to get in still. about 5 foot, long dark hair, got tie-dye shirt on, and number 21 felt maybe the person on the right.
Yeah, more. KCF 15, testing simulcast.
That's all set waiting for you.
Rocky EMF 147.
Go ahead, Ross.
720.
21. Thank you.
10-4. Rocky EMF 147. 1120. 10-4.
$16.82. Sorry, no transport. You're returning in service. 2122. One thing, 1042. Charlie on phone on River Street. Looks like. William Springfield dispatch. A1's clear, scene, no transport. We're in service. Fine. Scene 1721, KCF 15. You two returning in service 1724. Single command. Patient 1725. You may carry one. $17.26. Right.
501.
506 by Selberg, 76 Southern State with one.
501, 10-4. 142. I'm going to call Bella Falls and advise them of you also.
Rockingham.
7-3.
42.
10-4.
Turning 2483, go ahead. waiting for this bicycle last night. I saw by Edward Jones. He seemed to be bicycling just fine.
Apparently when the motorist were having contact with him, he was up on Black River Produce, guiding in and out of the roadway. Being a real pain in the ass to himself.
Yeah, I'll turn around and see if I can make contact. 611, 600. 76 to Baltimore Road. I'll also check on that 56 subject.
Well, there's contact with them in the area of Edward Jones.
10-4. It is the two. I'm not sure if their mom wants to come get them or if 11 wants to. I don't have room for both in my car.
What's in line? Well, we're specifically on River Street, where someone was coming in.
They're right here next to the cruiser. Right after the footbridge on across from 100. Just around the corner.
I just tried to give you a 21. If when you get a chance, just let me know and I'll call you. I'm gonna run some case tests here.
In the mouth of your riding in a Toyota Corolla Sentinel Array.
George 530. Identified the operator as Ray. He has picked up the two females.
Marion is prepared a copy of BOL. BOL described as a gold Toyota small vehicle. Was traveling 91 southbound, got off at exit 8. The plate does not come back to that vehicle. Back in a 97 Jeep Wrangler, white. Again, it was 91 southbound, a gold Toyota small car. Erratic operation. Vehicle has since gotten off at exit 8, and the complaint has continued on into VOL.